Good morning, friends. This is Memo. I'm going to make some blackberry dumplings. I started to say a cobbler, but I'm not making a cobbler. I like dumplings better. They're more juicy. I've got probably about a pint of blackberries here that I froze back in the summer. And I'm going to add 2 cups of water. One-half cup of sugar. About a teaspoon of lemon juice. And about 2 teaspoons of butter, unsalted. This is going to go on the stove and cook for about 30 minutes. Now I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And now, while the blackberries finish cooking, I'm going to make up the dumplings. In my bowl, I have 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, some salt, one 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of milk. I'm using 2% because that's all I got. Three-fourths cup of milk. I'm probably repeating myself, but it's okay. Just so you know. Now we're going to give this a little mix-a-rooney. It looks like I'm going to have to add some more flour. It's too thin. I'm going to add another got a 1/2 cup. I'll add a little bit at a time. I don't know how it got thin because I used the measurements it called for. Any more? Yeah, it's getting them out there. Maybe a little bit more. I'll get this mixed up and then I'll throw in my dumplings. And now I'm using a teaspoon. I'm going to drop them in. I'll get them all in and I'll be back. And now they're in. I'm going to let them set and cook for about 5 minutes. Now they're finished, I will fix me a plate. Now I'm going to add some whipped cream to it. I know it'll melt and go right in, but that's what makes it good, just like ice cream. Yummy! Delicious. Quote of the day: you have survived in life if all you want is what you need. Y'all have a good day, and thanks for watching.